Let's get started with the magic of Blend tool. Take any gradient you like. I have selected a few colors I would like. Make sure to keep these setting by double-clicking the pencil tool to have smooth curves while drawing. Select both the shapes and then click the Blend tool. Click on the center of both the objects to get same size of the blended object. Then double-click the Blend tool and change it to specified steps and increase the value. Now make any shape either from pencil tool or any other tool you find easy. Select both the shape and the blended object and do as follows. Double-click the Blend tool and do adjustment to suit your design. Now let's make the second shape. I'll be using the same procedure, making the shape from pencil tool. In this case, click on the two side points. Then double-click the Blend tool and change it to specified steps and increase the value. Now let's make a new shape and make it follow the blended object. Do like and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.